Hello, how's it going? This is Tony Pearl, aka CrypTony, and in this video, you're going to learn the secrets of how to invest in Bitcoin for easy passive income. So hang on to your hats, get yourself ready. This is going to be a great video. Prepare to take some notes, and basically what you're going to be learning here is a step-by-step tutorial how to invest in Bitcoin to make that passive income. What you're going to be learning is exactly how to set yourself up with a simple automatic passive income stream for yourself in only a few minutes. You're going to learn pretty much everything you need to do from start to finish, complete with pictures. Man, this is a lot easier than working for a living, but try not to feel too guilty about it, okay? So, are you ready? Shall we begin? Let's do it. All right, so the first website you're going to need to go to, and yes, you're definitely going to need to have the computer access. You see it right there. It's automaticdailyincome.com/Bitcoin. Because what you're going to need to do is have a way to buy those Bitcoins that you're going to need. Now, the great thing about this is that you can get started with as little as just a little bit over $100. And the great thing is that when you buy that first batch of Bitcoin with for at least $100, hey, we each get $10 of free Bitcoin added into our accounts. So that's pretty sweet. And basically, also, if you already have Bitcoin, you can go ahead and skip this step. But just go to that website, set your account up for now, and we'll come back to that site in a minute. And as soon as you have that done, then you want to go to this next website right away, and that is automaticdailyincome.com/invest. That just basically takes you to the link that you need to go to. It's an easier link to follow than another one that we have here. And basically, what you're going to do is just set up an account there. It's very simple to do. Just put your name, your email, pick a password, your date of birth. It's easy to follow, and it only takes just a couple quick minutes, so no problem. And as soon as you're done signing up there, just send me an email at the email address you see right there, Tony@automaticdailyincome.com, and I will send you your very own spreadsheet that you can use to plug in the numbers and be able to track your investments and see how fast your money grows. This is fantastic. It's going to curl your hair. So as soon as that's done, we move on to the next step, and that is to simply buy your first amount of Bitcoin. Now, I strongly suggest that you use that first website to buy at least about $150 to start, because this is going to cover any potential fees and any market volatility that you may encounter in the time that you use to get yourself set up, okay? And please note that buying that Bitcoin on that website, the name of the website is Coinbase.com, but buying that Bitcoin on there only just buys you the Bitcoin. That's it. You're not invested in the program yet. So that is the next step that we're going to be taking here. So let's go ahead and cover that, because this is really the tricky part. And this is, I'm going to be covering right now, how to make your first investment. This is where people get confused. It can be a little tricky. There's a few steps, but don't worry, I have you covered. So keep just watching this video. Pause it if you need to, if you get confused, and let's go ahead and do this, okay? So the step-by-step instructions. Here we go. You want to go to that website, which is, after you've logged in there, it's Bitconnect. Okay, you should have an account on there by now, bitconnect.co. And what you're going to do is click the wallet. After you've logged in, you're going to click on the wallet tab on the left side, and that's what it looks like right there. Okay, so just go there once you've logged in, and if you need to sign up for that account, that's another link you can go to right there, and you see on the screen. Okay, and just click that wallet button, and what's going to happen is it's going to take you to this screen here, and in this section, you're going to scroll to the part where it says Bitcoin Wallet. You're going to click that green button right there that says Click Deposit Bitcoin. You're just going to click that, okay? When you click on that, it's going to show you this funny looking thing here. That square is called a QR code. You don't need to worry about that. All you need to do is click this button right here, and that's going to copy your address right there. Don't use this address as my address, but you're going to get your own, okay? So just click that, and it will copy it to your clipboard. Okay, if you don't know how to copy, you can just click the button right there. The easiest thing you can do. Okay, that will automatically do that for you. After that, you're going to go back to Coinbase. Okay, this is very important. Okay, go to Coinbase.com, and essentially what you're going to do is, again, after you've been logged in, and after you have purchased your Bitcoin and it is in your wallet, okay, if it shows up in your wallet, then you're ready for this step. All right, so we're in Coinbase. We've gotten out of BitConnect, and we go into another tab. Now we're in Coinbase, which is where you have your Bitcoin. You're going to click on Accounts, just as the instructions say here. Click Accounts, and then click this button right here in your Bitcoin wallet that says Send. Okay, and then when that comes up, it's going to give you an area to paste in the wallet address of your Bitconnect account, and you're simply going to paste. You can right click and paste, or you can simply press Control V if you have a PC. If it's on a Mac, I'm sure you know what to do for that. And it's going to paste the wallet address for where you're going to be sending your Bitcoin right there. The next thing you want to do is enter the amount in dollars of Bitcoin that you want to send, or if you know how to do the Bitcoin stuff, you can just enter the amount right there. Now, what I have on the screen right here is $1,010, and that's if you want to make a faster and better residual income from this investment, and you can go larger. But if you only have like $100 or a little bit more than that, that's fine too. Okay, so enter that there. It will automatically calculate the Bitcoin amount, or if you enter the Bitcoin, it'll automatically calculate the dollar amount. As soon as that's done, you're going to click Continue. But take a quick glance down here. Before you click Continue, take a quick look here. You see the network fees. That is an additional cost for sending the funds over. And that fee may vary depending on how much traffic is going on the network at the time. Okay, so this is a faster, easier way. You don't have to go down to the bank and wire money. You can just do it from the comfort of your own home or from wherever. Okay, and that's going to be the total amount that you are sending in Bitcoin from your account, which is why, again, I recommended that you buy at least $150 worth of Bitcoin so you can cover any fees and anything like that. Okay, once that's done, just click Continue, and then we're going to go back to BitConnect. Okay, assuming that you're still logged in. If it's been a little while since you've been to the site and you need to log back in, you'll be directed to do so. So once you've done that, you want to go to the wallet section again, and you want to look for an incoming Bitcoin transaction. Should show up right here relatively quickly. All right, that will indicate that you did everything correctly up to this point, and you have initiated the process of sending over your Bitcoin to BitConnect to get ready to invest. Okay, that's going to show up right there. So you're just going to wait a little while. Now, I got to be honest, this could take a few minutes. It could take a few seconds. It could take a few minutes. Or when it's really, really, really busy, it could even take a few hours. It's just how it is. Sometimes it's really, really busy on the network. Okay. All right. So now that we have that done, we're going to move on to the next step, and that is you're going to click on, scroll up to the top. You can be in the dashboard. You can be in the wallet. You're going to see this part right here pretty much on most of the screens on BitConnect. And what you'll hopefully be seeing after the funds arrive here in the Bitcoin wallet is an amount, okay? Obviously right now in this example screen, I don't have anything in my Bitcoin wallet, but you will, okay? My wallet is empty right now, but yours won't be. So once you have the funds there, once your Bitcoin has arrived in there, you're going to now click on the BCC exchange icon, which is right there. And if you ever want to expand this menu, you can just click on this little button right here. That will expand things out for you nicely, okay? So what's going to happen is it's going to bring up this screen, and now it's time to buy some BitConnect coins. So think of it like this. You had dollars. You use those dollars to buy Bitcoin. Now you're going to use that Bitcoin to buy BitConnect coin, which is another form of cryptocurrency, which is inherent to this platform here, okay? I could explain it, but it would take too long in this video. I'm just showing you a shortcut of how to get all this stuff done so you can get your money working for you as fast as possible. So now that you're ready to buy some BitConnect coin, you're going to scroll down to this section in the BCC exchange, and you're going to go to this part right here where it says Buy BCC. BCC stands for BitConnect coin. All right. So the next thing you're going to do is click on the All button, because you're going to use all the Bitcoin that you've transferred over to buy BitConnect coin. Okay. That will populate the amount of Bitcoin right there. And the next, it should automatically have the last bid over here. If you ever want to play with the market, you can play around with this. But we're just trying to do this quickly right now, so that's all you got to do. Just click on the All. It will automatically fill in everything else for you, and then just click on the Buy BitConnect coin. Click that green button, and then just wait a little while. And then your order will be showing up down here, and in a short while, again, it could take a few seconds, it could take a few minutes, it could take an hour. We just don't know. As soon as your order is processed and someone has sold sold you Bitconnect coin in exchange for your Bitcoin, it's going to go to the next part, which is right here. Now you'll show at the top, you'll see the Bitconnect wallet should have an amount. Okay, so once you've confirmed that you now have that amount in your Bitconnect wallet, it's not going to be this amount. It's going to be a different amount, I'm sure, because rates fluctuate, and that's going to be your amount right there. So once you confirm that that's there, you're going to click on the dashboard icon right here at the top left of this screen, and then you're going to go to the this part right here. You're going to see this part where it says Lend Bitconnect / reinvest. You're going to click on this part right there where it says Lend Bitconnect. We're almost done, by the way. Almost done. Okay? So click that button, and then it's going to show up this screen right here. Notice the countdown timer, which is locked in at this rate. So all you're going to do is enter the amount that you are investing, the amount that you have available in Bitcoin or Bitconnect coin. In this example, it's $1,010. And by the way, make sure that you're aware of how this works right here, because if you're going to invest $100 to $1,000, you're going to get the daily volatility index, which changes every day, and your capital, the amount that you invest, will be released after 299 days. Okay, and if you have more than that, if you have more than 1,000, you want to make sure that don't invest 1,001 or 1,005. Make sure it's at least 1,010, because from $1,010 to $5,000, you get the bit of an extra bonus kicker of the volatility interest plus 0.1% on a daily basis. And your capital is released after only 239 days. If you have more than that, go 5,010 to 10,000, and you get double that. You get the daily interest fluctuation plus 0.2. Your funds are released after 179 days. And if you want to go large like I did, you go $10,010 up to whatever, and you get the daily interest fluctuation plus 0.25, and your capital is released after only 120 days. Okay, so just make sure you follow that correctly there. All right. Now the next thing is, once you're done with that, you've entered the amount. You're going to click on the box right here that you understand the terms of and conditions, and click on the Pay from Bitconnect Wallet button. And essentially, what's going to happen then is, boom, you're going to see a confirmation message, and I'm going to say, congratulations, you did it. You're now going to start getting automatic daily income deposited to your Bitconnect wallet every single day. You're going to get funds deposited in there, okay? But wait, you're not quite done yet, because you have a new job. That's right. Every day, what you're going to need to do is log into your Bitconnect account at about the same time that you made your first loan and reinvest your daily interest, okay? Because every day at the time that you made that first loan, if it's 8 p.m., show up the next day at 8 p.m., log into your account, or any time after that, of course, and you'll see that your wallet has been released. And by the way, it's important to notice that anytime that you get your daily interest is going to show up right here in the lending wallet, all right? And anytime you get $10 or more, that's when you can reinvest, okay? If you're only investing $100, it's probably going to take you about maybe anywhere between 9 to 12 days generally, that you will have earned at least that $10. And then you're going to come here in the Bitconnect dashboard. You're going to see the lending wallet will have those funds in there. When you got funds there, it's just time to reinvest. So just click the reinvest button. Right there it is, and it's going to bring up this right here. So all you're going to need to do is come to this part right there and click the all buttons, and it will transfer those funds over into the amount, and it will calculate where the $10 cutoff point is, show up right here, and all you're going to do is click the reinvest button, and boom, that's it. You're done. You've reinvested for that day, so now you can relax. Very, very simple, very, very easy, and you're going to be receiving daily compounded interest. In another video, I'll show you how to get money out if you ever want to, but I strongly recommend that you just let the money compound, especially in the beginning, as much as possible, at least, a month, 2 months, 3 months, so that you can build up that daily passive income as quickly as possible, okay? So let's just wrap this up, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Now you know the secrets, and be sure to sign up here at automaticdailyincome.com/invest, and then send me that email at tony@automaticdailyincome.com, and I will send you your own spreadsheet that you can check out and use and play with. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy investing. Congratulations. And I look forward to seeing you on the beautiful beaches of the world. Until then, take care.